was cracking up with John. I was sad the other day, and I looked over here and I was laughing at this. It's like the bear's shaking his ass, and she's like, "Yeah, I like that." That cheered me up when I was sad. And the maroon is a little dreary right now, huh? What do you? We did some purple on our eyes. It's a cool product. Yeah, this eye is lazy or something because I always get it. It's always sticking to my eyelid. So pretty. I brought this one home. This is the picture. I'm gonna add her to the closet. I've been adding things. Oh, yeah, has to go there now. It's pretty cute, huh? Oh, it's looking pretty cute over here. Oh. Cutie, we need to figure out our printer and print out a beautiful picture of you. Do you like that band? Is it cute or stupid? Should we pick a little jewelry? Pick an angel. And a boba. Another angel and a boba. Maybe we should just do the boba. Is that dumb? Looks a little off balance. Maybe we should put both bobas. I don't know where the other angel went. He left. She's like, I'm out of here. This is boring as hell. Like, that's nice. This could be all I do. Maybe this would be a hit. Just come on here, say hello, put on an earring, and go. What's wrong with that? Two bobas. Look at, they're on a date. We changed the what's going on here. I was really sure. This isn't very like womanly vibe. I want to have a sexy woman vibe, but this is like my lucky sweater. I love the way this fits. It's a kid size, I think. But it's like fits like how I want a t-shirt to fit. Like, I mean, it's just perfect. Covers my arms. It's got a little baby Yoda. We bedazzled it with little jewels. So, it's lucky. That looks better. So what they're gonna do? There's gonna be a couple of friends, couple of lovers. They're gonna go on a date, have boba. The angel's gonna watch over them. That's what's happening now. That's the story for today. Okay? My grandma wears this. It's white shoulders. I had this in here, but I thought my mom wears this too. What a sexy lady. But I saw when I went to my grandma's, I saw she was completely out of this. But I wanted to keep this because it makes me think of my mom. She wears it sometimes. And now I wish I would have brought it to give it to my grandma at least. No, I know to get her now. Get her a bigger one. Isn't that pretty? It's weird when I smell this, like I would never think to wear this. But they both do. It's weird, I just think, oh, that's just my mom. But it's special like that. My grandma. Let me try this. How cute they are. They're so cute. We already tried this a couple years ago. But these are pretty beads. Very summery. Maybe we should try again.
You like to, wash your clothes by hand. You're a very active man and you like to do everything yourself.
Thanks, man.
Even when it comes to cleaning. All right? And so, I thought, what are vacuums? Useless. What are brooms? useless unless we do it ourselves.
You just got that nice new vacuum.
Yeah, I got a nice new vacuum.
It's about to be obsolete because
You guys compete with Dyson?
yes, I'm peekaboo with Dyson. Listen, Mark,
Yeah.
why use a broom or a mop when you can be the broom or the mop? I got many materials here. Go! Clean! Destiny! Achieve your